Hi guys, it's Sharon and today I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this eye look. It's really quick and easy. Literally just use two blushes. You can use one. It doesn't even have to be the same color. It can be any blush. They're super pigmented and they look so pretty on the eyes. I just put this look together really quick because I feel like pinks always make me feel like flirty and cute. That is like a look that I love. So if you're interested in this look, keep on watching. So I'm going to be using this blush and I'm just going to kind of do a quick look because I don't have much time. I have a meeting to go to, but I feel like blush on your eyes always looks amazing. This is Pinch of Peach by MAC. Like, look at that. I literally feel like I don't have to do anything else. And you can use any blush and just like really blend it out nicely. And I just kind of focus it on the crease, but just blend it in. And see how pretty and pink that looks? Now we're going to do like some shimmer on the inner corner. I'm going to use this Clarins silver pink color and just on the inner corner. Wow, that really changed it. There's like remnants of lash glue stuck in my lashes. So when it comes to dating, I think the hard part is that people expect you to open up so quick, and it's like, I don't know you. I don't want to open up to you. Like, I'm a really amazing person, and I don't know if you deserve to know. You know what I mean? These are just like regular wispies. I'm used to like thicker bands, so I've been having a hard time with these thin bands. I feel like I don't put enough glue or something. Got a notification from my period app that it's our Clue anniversary. That's the name of the app that I use to track my period, which doesn't really help because, like I said, I've been dealing with like hormonal issues. So I mean, it's good to like for me to know, but it doesn't really predict because it's kind of impossible. But I feel like my period's starting to regulate, so it should be getting better. I could find the perfect lipstick to go with this because I have so many, but I usually just mix because who has time for that? I think I'm going to add to my eyes. I'm going to go in with this blush from MAC and just kind of define it a little bit. Just like the outer corner. I don't know if you can tell, but it kind of makes a difference. So that was it for my makeup look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!